Welcome. If you're looking to update your username on Messenger, you've come to the right place. Whether you want a fresh start or just need to tweak your current username, it's a quick and easy process. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can change your Messenger username in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on Menu. Next, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and find the Settings option. It might look like a little gear icon. Tap on Settings to open up your account preferences. Now, you're getting closer. In the Settings menu, look for the Username section. This is where you can view and edit your current Messenger username. Tap on Username, and then tap on Edit Username. You'll now see a field where you can type in your new username. Take a moment to choose something unique and memorable. Remember, your username is how people can find you on Messenger, so pick something that represents you well. Once you've entered your new username, double-check for any typos or mistakes. When you're happy with your new username, simply tap Save. Messenger will update your username instantly, and you'll see the changes right away. If the username you chose is already taken, Messenger will let you know, and you can try a different one. And that's it. You've successfully edited your username on Messenger. It's a simple process that only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how people connect with you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Messenger username.